Good morning, little ones. Please smile before you start. Yesterday, we learned the digraph CH and the words related to it. And I had told you to try and find at least 2 new CH words. For those of you who have done it, 2 claps. And for those of you who have not done it, I have 2 new words for you. Chin, chin, and cheer, cheer. Now, let's revise the words we learnt yesterday.
CH words. Our first CH word is chair. Chair, chair. CHAIR, chair. A chair is a piece of furniture used to sit on. I am sure all of you sit on a chair at home. Now, in the next picture, we see a chain. Chain, chain. CHAIN, chain. A chain is a set of metal loops that are connected. It is very strong and hence is used to hold things together. Children, what is this? It is a slice of yummy cheese. CHEESE, cheese. Cheese is a milk product and is used for making sandwiches and pizzas. I'm sure all of you love to eat cheese. Here is the picture of a cherry. CHERRY, cherry. A cherry is a small round fruit that is red in color. Very often a cherry is used to decorate the top of a cake. Our last CH word for today is chalk. CHALK, chalk. A chalk is a writing material used to write on a blackboard. I am sure all of you have seen your teacher using a chalk to write on the board.
Now it's time to write these words. So children, let's get ready and begin. Children, please open your English notebook. We will now begin with writing the date in the margin. 1/5/15 -9-2020. Now we will leave 2 finger space and write the title CH words on the same line outside the margin. 2 finger space CH. 1 finger space WORDS. Words. CH words. Now, please draw the lines the way I am doing it. The first line, second line, and the third line. So children, are you ready? Please make sure
you write along with me. Let's start writing the CH words. The first word to be written is chair, which has to be written close to the margin. Chair, chair. CHAIR, chair. Blue line to blue line curve, C. From the red line you come down, you go up, curve and you come down, H. Curve around, up and down, blue line to blue line, A. Down and a dot, I. Down, up and curve, blue line to blue line, R. CHAIR, chair. A chair is a piece of furniture used to sit on. The next word, chain, chain. CHAIN, chain. You make a curve, blue line to blue line, C. From the red line, you come down, you go up, curve and come down, H. Curve around, up and down, blue line to blue line, A. Down and a dot, I. Down, up, curve and come down, N. CHAIN, chain. A chain is a set of metal loops that are connected. The next word, CHEESE, cheese. So you curve, blue line to blue line, C. From the red line you come down to the blue line, you go up, curve and you come down, H. Curve up, curve down, blue line to blue line, E. Blue line to blue line, E. You curve and reverse curve, blue line to blue line, S. And E, blue line to blue line, CHEESE, cheese. Cheese is a milk product and is used for making sandwiches and pizzas. Children, are you writing? The next word, cherry. CHERRY, cherry. Curve, blue line to blue line, C. From the red line you come down, you go up, curve and come down, H. Curve up, curve, blue line to blue line, E. Down, up and curve, R. Blue line to blue line. Down, up and curve, R. Blue line to blue line you slant, and from the blue line you slant down to the red line, Y. CHERRY, cherry. A cherry is a small round fruit that is red in color. And the last word, chalk. CHALK, chalk. Make a curve, blue line to blue line, C. From the red line you come down, you go up and come down, H. Curve around, up and down, blue line to blue line, A. From the red line you come down to the blue line, L. From the red line you come down to the blue line. From the blue line you slant in. You leave a gap and you slant out to the blue line. CHALK, chalk. A chalk is a writing material used to write on a blackboard. So children, let us revise the CH words once again. Chair, chair. CHAIR, chair. Chain, chain. CHAIN, chain. CHEESE, cheese. CHERRY, cherry. CHALK, chalk. Children, do read each word twice and write the same CH words neatly in the remaining 3 columns.
Children, as promised yesterday, I have a story for you.
Ravi's journey by train. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Ravi who lived in a big city with his parents. Ravi was a little 5-year-old boy like you. He used to go to school and was studying in senior KG class. One day, his school declared a short break, and so his mother decided to take Ravi to visit his grandparents who lived in another city. To go to their grandparents' house, the father booked their train tickets. The day of their journey arrived, and Ravi's dad dropped them to the station in the jeep. As soon as they reached their compartment, Ravi's mother and Ravi settled down in their seats. Ravi was very excited because he had a window seat. After some time, the train took off and Ravi was enjoying the beautiful scenery. He saw the sun set and it was a lovely sight. He saw many trees with fruits and flowers of different colors and sizes. He saw fields, some hills, rivers, and suddenly, from a distance, he saw something white. And as the train came closer, he realized that the white thing he saw was actually a flock of sheep. He was very happy to see so many sheep. As the train moved on, he saw vehicles pass by and a bridge. Suddenly it got windy and cloudy, and Ravi felt a few drops of water on his face. And just when he went to wipe his face, he felt a few more drops on his hair too. That's when he realized it was raining outside. So Ravi's mother pulled the window pane down to prevent the rain from coming in. Now it was very dark and the lights in the train came on. Ravi was hungry and so he asked his mother for something to eat. His mother opened up the bag and took out some yummy cheese sandwiches and told Ravi if he finished the cheese sandwiches, she had a surprise for him. So after he finished the sandwiches, his mother gave him a pastry which had a cherry on the top. This was a surprise and Ravi was delighted to see the pastry and ate it happily. Now it was time to sleep and the berth had to be raised with the help of a chain to support it. Since they had reached the last station, it was time for them to get off. Ravi's mother had to wake him up as he was fast asleep. As soon as he got up, he looked out of the window and guess what he saw? His grandma sitting on a chair away from the train, while his grandpa was standing just outside his window near the train to help them with their luggage. Ravi was very excited to see them. He got down from the train and touched his grandpa's feet and ran across and greeted his grandma too. Now they were heading towards their grandpa's car with their luggage. As they were walking out of the station, Ravi saw two boys drawing with a chalk on the ground. They all stopped to look at the beautiful drawing and after some time moved ahead. Suddenly, Ravi's eyes fell on a florist who had heaps of flowers and garlands. All of a sudden, he noticed a bee on one of the flowers. Ravi got frightened of the bee and moved away from there. Finally, they reached Grandpa's big, beautiful red car. They all got into the car happily and were on their way to the grandparents' house. So that's the end of our story of Ravi's train journey. Children, did you like the story? In this story, I have used many digraph words of AI, EE and CH sound that you all have learned so far. Now, I will point out a few. Train, sleep, chain, and would like you to hear the story once again and pick the rest of the digraph words that are in the story which you have already learned.
Children, I hope you enjoyed the story. Until we meet again, bye, keep smiling and take care.